S39 and S40 center panel preparation instruction. This video provides instructions of installing the aluminum frames to center seat panels of S39 and S40 shower rooms. You need a power drill, and 1/8 drill bit, caulking gun, and bath and shower silicone sealant. Peel off the clear plastic film along the edges. Identify the two straight corners on the aluminum frames. It has one small corner, and one big corner. Apply sealant to the small corner. Apply sealant to the small corner to the full length of the frame. Set the aluminum frame to the edge corner of the center panel. Clamp the frame to the panel's corner tightly. Drill a hole next to the corner line with 1/8 inch drill bit. Make sure to drill through the plastic panel and first surface of the aluminum frame. Use 1/2 inch long metal screw to connect. Connect at 5 points. Repeat the same procedure on the other edge of the center panel.